Hey, this is Corey from Woodcraft, and spring is right around the corner. And with spring coming, I'm very excited to get out camping and enjoy the nature and the woods. But I know a lot of people are just as excited as I am, and they're going to be going out for the very first time. And so for these next few weeks, this next month or so, I'm going to make videos that are based on people who are going out for the very first time. I want to try to make that first time as enjoyable, memorable, and as comfortable as possible. And so with spring and people that are just getting started, I'm going to be sharing different kits that I think are important, different mindsets that I think are important. And the reason for this video is because I know there's people that have been subscribed for a really long time and they have all of this knowledge. It seems common knowledge to them, but it's not so common to everybody else. And so with these videos coming out, I'm hoping that a lot of people watch them and share their knowledge and their questions in that comment section, because it's nice being able to share my opinions. It's nice being able to tell people what I think, but it doesn't pertain to most people. Unless you live in Minnesota and you have to deal with Minnesota weather, not everything I say is going to infect you or is going to concern you. And so in that comment section, we have a lot of people from different parts of the country, different parts of the world that deal with different environments, different climates. And if you guys could share your knowledge and any questions in that comment section, we'll be able to help a lot more people than I could ever help by myself. So that's why I want to make this video, even though these next few videos might seem basic and common knowledge to you. Hopefully you still watch them and enjoy them, and also add your value, add your questions, and I will try to cater my videos towards those questions, and hopefully we can help out everyone. Hopefully everybody's first experience can be comfortable, everyone's first experience can be enjoyable and memorable, and everybody can learn to love the outdoors as much as the people that love watching these videos. So with that being said, make sure to subscribe, and I cannot wait to see you on my upcoming videos.